So hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Anisliana binti Kamarudin with metric number 1170867. So today I want to share something about plastic waste management. One of the unique things that catch my eyes is about how the road is built from the plastic waste. Before that, the plastic waste and its disposal is a major threat to the environment, which results in pollution. And plastic is a non-degradable waste, causes greenhouse effect and also global warming. Regrettably, plastic products have become an indispensable part of our daily life, as many objects of daily use are made from some kind of this plastic. And the growth in various types of industries together with the population growth has resulted in enormous increase in the production of various types of waste materials world over. And the plastic is everywhere into this lifestyle. It is used for packaging, protecting, serving, and even disposing of all kinds of consumer goods. And with the Industrial Revolution, mass production of goods started, and plastic seemed to be a cheaper and effective raw material. And the use of this non-biodegradable product is growing rapidly and creating problem of disposal of plastic waste. And this disposal of plastic waste is particularly plastic bag menace and has become a serious problem, especially in urban areas in terms of misuse, is dumping in the dustbin, clogging of drains, reduce soil fertility, and also aesthetic problem. And the risk to the family health and safety will increase, and above all, the environmental burden would be manifold. Hence, it is needed that the plastic product must be recycled and not in landfills. One is the way of disposing plastic waste into the road for the modification of bitumen, and proper addition of such waste in the bitumen improve the quality life and minimize the construction cost of the road. Okay, so how the plastic road is invested? So a Bangalore-based firm and a team of engineers from the College of Engineering in Bangalore have developed a way of using plastic waste for the road construction. An initial study was conducted in 1997 by the team to test the strength and the durability. And the technology was initially developed and patented by the Rajagopalan Vasudevan of the Thiaragar College of Engineering. He developed an innovative method to reuse the plastic waste to construct better, more durable, and very cost-effective roads. And India is the country where there appears to be the most experience with using plastic waste in road construction. India has promoted the use of waste plastic in bituminous mixes for the construction of its national highways and rural roads, and has approved it as a default mode of periodic renewal with hot mixes for road within 50 km periphery of the urban areas with more than 500,000 population. And the Indian Roads Congress 2013 has published the guidelines for the use of waste plastic in hot bituminous mixes, while the National Rural Road Development Agency 2019 provide the guidance on the use of waste plastic specific to the rural roads construction. And since 2002, the waste plastic have been used to construct more than 2,500 km of roads, which were reportedly functioning well without potholes, revealing and rotting up to 10 years later. Okay, so what is the benefit from this plastic road? The laboratories have shown positive results when a small amount 5 to 10% by weight of the plastic is incorporated in bituminous mixes of asphalt, resulting in improved the pavement stability, strength, and also durability time. And along with bitumen, used waste plastic also increase its life and smoothness. It is economical and eco-friendly. Addition of plastic waste in construction of pavements reduces the plastic shrinkage and also drying the shrinkage. And the use of plastic improves the abrasion and slip resistance also of the asphalt pavement. And India, because of hot and extremely humid climate, the plastic pavements of our greatest advantage. So besides, the uses of plastic waste in the road construction can also reduce the need of bitumen by around 10% and give improvements in its fatigue life of roads. And on top of that, this invention can also increase the strength and give better performance of the road. Okay, so several studies have shown that waste plastic modified bitumen carries great promise as an alternative recycling method for the plastic waste management, as well as a non-traditional modified binder for the road construction. Further studies should be done to investigate the long-term performance of these plastic roads as to evaluate the effect on the storage, rotting, cracking, the resistance under various traffic conditions. And the use of the innovative technology will not only straighten the road construction, but will also increase the road life as well as help to improve the environment, and will also create a source of income to other people also. So that's all from me about the plastic road. Thank you and have a good day.